OpenAI has officially entered its next phase. Not another model launch, not a research milestone, but a move that could actually become one of the biggest IPOs in history. A listing that may value the AI lab at up to $1 trillion, Reuters reports. For a company born as a non-profit built on a promise to serve humanity and led by a CEO who holds zero equity, this is not a normal path. It's actually a mission entering the public markets because the mission needs capital measured in trillions, not billions. OpenAI began as a non-profit with a simple thesis. AGI should serve everyone, not shareholders. But the world moved faster than anyone predicted. Frontier AI scaled. Compute became currency, nations entered the race, and OpenAI needed a structure that could actually raise capital without losing mission control. So this week, it completed the most audacious corporate restructure of the AI era. A $500 billion company recast as a public benefit corporation. Governance held by the OpenAI Foundation, investors with returns but not the power, and a CEO leading the AGI race without owning a single share. It's not irony. It's actually clearly design. It is mission over equity, safety over short-termism, and scale without surrender. So let's understand this a little better. OpenAI isn't actually chasing an IPO for headlines. It's actually chasing survival in an era where intelligence is infrastructure. Sam Altman has openly said it will take trillions to build the compute backbone for AGI and beyond. And it's clear that you can't raise that in venture rounds. You can't borrow it quietly. You have to go public when the mission demands it. It's fair to say going public is the most likely path for us given the capital needs we'll have. End quote. This was said by Sam Altman. A first-of-its-kind structure now lets OpenAI raise unlimited capital, while a non-profit keeps the steering wheel. This is capitalism rewired for alignment. This isn't just another tech IPO. It's like a blueprint. A non-profit controls the mission. A for-profit engine scales the frontier. A public listing fuels global compute expansion. And investors from SoftBank to Microsoft to MGX get rewarded for believing early in the most consequential technology of our time. Meanwhile, the OpenAI Foundation accumulates wealth to fund safety, resilience, medicine, and open scientific progress. Profit becomes fuel for alignment, not a threat to it. The timeline. Well, insiders expect a filing in late 2026. CFO Sarah Fryer has actually floated 2027. But the signal is quite clear. OpenAI is not preparing to be acquired. It is actually preparing to define a market. The AI stock era won't peak with Nvidia and CoreWeave. It will crystallize when OpenAI rings the bell. So finally, the internet era created trillion-dollar companies. The intelligence era is about to crown one built on a paradox. A trillion-dollar company led by someone with no equity, designed to serve humanity, financed by Wall Street, governed by a non-profit, and racing to build AGI before anyone else can. So if this works, OpenAI won't just be the biggest IPO in history. It will actually be the moment capitalism learned to fund intelligence without letting it rule it. The AGI era won't start with a product launch, might just start with a filing on the US SEC website. Stay tuned, because the world's most important company is about to test the public markets and rewrite them.